Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, the purpose of making this video is to give you a self-belief that you guys can get your desired band. Even you can get more than your desired band. Sometimes, we fall prey to self-doubt, right? We doubt ourselves. Oh, well, I cannot get 8 band. I cannot get 7 band. 6 is very difficult for me and all that. Let me tell you, those who struggle, those who pay the price, at the end they achieve success. Okay, success has got the price to pay. So the same thing happened with one of my students who watched my videos, subscribed my channel, and then he got his desired band. And I'm going to show you his result and you will say, he got this band score, right? And it's not that, if one can do it, anyone can do it, right? If one can do something, one human being can do it, other human being can do as well. It's only the matter of skills. It's only, your proficiency in English, and then you can get the same band score. I would like to share this band score of one of my students. He got speaking 7.5. Listening 7.5, reading 9. Oh my God, OMG, reading 9. What does that mean? 39 or 40 correct answers. Okay, so this is believable now, right? You can say, oh, he must be Einstein, he must be William Shakespeare and all that. No, he is one person who got this band. And writing band is 7, overall band score 8. With this IELTS result, he can go anywhere. Just yesterday, some students of mine, they came to my class, and one of them, he got 7.5, 7, 6.5, 6.5 and all that. And he said, ever since I got this result, I applied for admission in different universities, and he said he received offer letters from university as well. And then he said to my class students, he said, guys, IELTS is the master key. Once you have IELTS in hand, then you need to proceed your cases for foreign education and foreign studies and all that. So this is just one simple example, and I'm willing to actually share some more with you as well. Okay, now let's just see. Another student of mine, he also appeared in IELTS and then he got good band score. Now, these are the students who wanted 6 band. They could make do with 6 band also, but they got more than 6. That means more than their desired band. So let's take a look. 24th June 2023, exam day. Listening band score 8. 8 means 34 correct answers, right, Yasin? 35 correct answers, then you get 8 band, right? Yasin is there, Shumaila is here, okay? Yeah, listening. 35 correct answers and 8 band. Reading 8 band. Wow, that's awesome. Writing 6.5, no problem. When your desired band is not less than 6, 6.5 is okay. And speaking 7 band, and that made overall band score 7.5. With this good band score, he can actually go anywhere. So guys, it's not that British Council, IELTS, they are not giving band score. They are giving band score. Students are getting their desired bands, right? So what happened? My own son got very good band score. I would like to share his TRF. Let's just share his result in class WhatsApp team. Okay, Mustain's result. So my son appeared in IELTS. Let me tell you his own story. What happened? When he was there, usually teachers and their own children, they are not as capable as the teachers, right? So teachers are capable, but their children, they are incapable sometimes, right? Same is the case with me. Like my son appeared in IELTS, and before that, I asked him to come and attend my classes, and he was not serious, right? He just came, and whenever there was the reading class time, he went to offer prayers. Sometimes he went to eat sandwiches, because where I teach, my IELTS masterclass, they have very nice sandwiches there as well. So he used to go to eat sandwiches and all that stuff, right? But then he had his final exams, and a week before his final exams, when I booked his test, I said, Mustain, now you have to study. And he didn't listen to me even that time. He said, Daddy, don't worry. I know English, so I can manage all these things. So you don't have to worry about anything. And I was like, okay, but still, you know, Yasin and Shumaila, they were asking me that he is non-serious in the class. And whenever we had his mock test, in mock test, he performed well. So guys, now here I go. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my own son's writing band. Let me tell you, he was a bit non-serious, but still he got this band. And writing is something he never liked. He's the kind of guy who likes listening. Reading is okay, listening is okay, but writing he never liked, okay? So here we got his band score. You can just see, right? First, let me show you the name here, right? Yeah. So we've got Mustain Asad, Muhammad Mustain Asad. It's him. Right, and you know, he appeared in IELTS exam on 18th June 2023, this year, 18th June. And now let's take a look at his result. Okay, here we got his result. Okay guys, listening 8 band. Wow, that's good, huh? I mean, he is a child who has just completed his +2 intermediate, second year, right? And second year students, they don't have that good English. But he's my son, so yeah. Reading band score 7.5, and guys, it was academic reading. And again, I tell you, don't just, some of you will be happy to see this, and some of you will say, not very impressive. Dear, I mean, don't judge him like, you know, like me, you judge me. It's not my result, it's his result, okay? Writing 6 band, and I don't blame him for that, because he didn't practice, he actually didn't like writing and all that. And speaking 7.5. Yes, now I tell you one thing. One of my friends, Rizwan Ali Razi from Mandi Bahauddin, he's got his Zoya IELTS zone, and he teaches IELTS, PTE and all that. He's a fantastic trainer from there. When he saw this result, he said, sir, you should go for EOR. EOR is inquiry on results. EOR means I'm not happy with this result. He said, sir, you should apply EOR on writing and on speaking. And he said the band score will definitely improve there, because speaking 7.5, how come writing 6? But then like I was not interested in EOR, and his required band was 6 each. That's it. So then he got this 7.5, so I did not apply for EOR with 7.5 overall. Now he's going to Toronto very soon, so he will be there, and then probably he's going to invite me there as well. So guys, literally it's all possible. I mean, this century, this decade, this year 2023, 2024, 2025, these years are very, very important. A majority of people is migrating, has migrated, or is going to migrate from developing countries to developed countries. After 20 years, after 30 years, people would say, I came to Canada in 2023, right? My father migrated from India, from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, or Africa in 2023. Okay, they will say this after 30, 40, 50 years, okay? So this is a golden time, and this is the golden age now, especially those who want to fulfill their dreams of going to a foreign country. This is the golden opportunity. So guys, get ready. If you are disappointed, or if you were disappointed before watching this video and now you have a new hope, let me tell you, this spark inside you is very important. This spark, you know, spark can take you even to the moon. This spark has taken human being to the moon, right? This spark has taken human being beneath the oceans and all that. So if you have this spark, IELTS is not a big deal. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS and PTE all over the world, online and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my IELTS or PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given, and we also book IELTS exam in Pakistan. If you are interested, if you are coming from another country and you want to book your IELTS exam before coming to Pakistan, we can help you with that as well. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.